you won't get a lemon.
I wouldn't have got a lemon
From Toyota of Orange.
For his beta with Toyota of Orange, and this is a 2022 4Runner TRD Pro in the new lime green rush color. One of the new features for this year is a front camera, and actually it's part of the 360 bird's eye view system, where it allows you to see from above the car, so you can see all around the car. It comes in handy when you're off-roading. Also, this car comes with the dash cam, which is an optional accessory for all Toyotas. You see that here. And then next to it, you may see the camera for the automatic emergency braking. So it's an auto braking feature. Thank you for taking the time to see in our video. My name is Jorge, I'm in the Internet Fleet Department, and it'd be my pleasure to take care of you on your next new Toyota here at Toyota of Orange.
Get a lemon
I wouldn't have got a lemon
from Toyota of Orange. Well, you won't get a lemon
I wouldn't have got a lemon
from Toyota of Orange.